Another one unassuming berry stands out for its unique blend of history and health benefits. In fields of red, a vibrant sight, cranberries bask in autumn's light. Join me on a journey as we uncover the fascinating story and the incredible health advantages of cranberries. Please watch my video to the end for delicious recipe and my jokes. Please subscribe. Thank you. A tart and tangy, tiny treat with health benefits that can't be beat. Our story begins centuries ago with the Native American tribes of North America, who were the first to discover and cultivate cranberries. These vibrant red berries, often referred to as sassamanash or ibimi by various tribes, played a significant role in their diet. Traced back through history untold, stories of customs old, the natives knew you had the power to nourish and heal. Native Americans used cranberries extensively, mixing them with dried meat and fat to create pemmican, a high-protein food source. They also used cranberries to dye fabric and treat illnesses. Natives made poultices from cranberries to treat wounds and ailments, recognizing their potential long before modern science caught up. When European settlers arrived in North America in the 1600s, they learned about cranberries from Native Americans. Cranberries grew abundantly in New England, and soon became an important food source for colonists there. Unique little berry, so saucy and sweet, cranberry, you sure are a treat. Native wisdom, ages old. European settlers soon adopted cranberries into their diets, incorporating them into sauces, jams, and beverages. Cranberry sauce even became a Thanksgiving staple. Thanksgiving sauce, a festive cheer, in muffins, pies, they're oh so dear. A splash in drinks, a vibrant hue, cranberries, we're singing to you. Today, cranberries are a beloved fruit worldwide, and they're not just a holiday treat. They are a nutritious addition for breakfast. Their rich history has paved the way for their emergence as a nutritional powerhouse. Cranberries are packed with antioxidants called polyphenols. These antioxidants have anti-inflammatory effects in the body and help protect cells from damage. Some research shows cranberries may even help prevent certain cancers like prostate and colon cancer. Immune boosting. First, cranberries are packed with antioxidants and vitamin C, making them a natural immune booster. Heart health. They can lower blood pressure, reduce the risk of heart disease, and improve cholesterol levels. Dried cranberries are very healthy too. The polyphenols may increase good HDL cholesterol while lowering bad LDL cholesterol. Research indicates cranberries may improve memory, coordination, and brain function by boosting neurological health. The antioxidants protect brain cells from oxidative damage. Digestive health. They're a digestive dynamo, aiding in gut health and even preventing stomach ulcers. Urinary tract health. Their unique compounds can help prevent urinary tract infections, a common health issue, especially among women. The acids in cranberries prevent bacteria from sticking to surfaces, which can help prevent urinary tract infections. Drinking cranberry juice regularly may reduce the risk of repeat infections. Their history shows they've been prized for centuries in North America, both for food and medicine. So, consider incorporating cranberries into your diet more often to take advantage of their unique health-promoting compounds. Cranberries, nature's story told from heart to gut. They lend a hand, in every dish, they take a stand. Chefs around the world have been using these versatile berries to create culinary masterpieces. Cranberry sauce, cranberry muffins, and cranberry cocktails. Elegant cranberry culinary masterpiece. Healthy cranberry oatmeal cookies. Recipe. Ingredients: 1 cup rolled oats, 3/4 cup whole wheat or multigrain flour, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/4 cup coconut oil or melted butter, 1/4 cup honey or maple syrup, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1/2 cup dried cranberries, unsweetened. Optional: 1/4 cup chopped nuts, such as almonds or walnuts, and zest of 1 orange. Directions: preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, and line a baking sheet with parchment paper. In a medium-sized bowl, whisk together the oats, whole wheat flour, baking soda, ground cinnamon, and salt. In a separate bowl, mix together the melted coconut oil, honey or maple syrup, egg, and vanilla extract until well combined. Add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients and knit until a dough form. Gently fold in the dried cranberries, chopped nuts, and orange zest, if using. Drop spoonful of the cookie dough onto the prepared baking sheet, leaving some space between each cookie. Flatten each cookie slightly with the back of a spoon or your fingers. Bake in the preheated oven for 10–12 minutes or until the edges turn golden brown. Remove the cookies from the oven and let them cool on the baking sheet for a few minutes before transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely. Enjoy your healthy cranberry oatmeal cookies as a nutritious snack or dessert. Your bouncing berries filled with pride, gathered together far and wide, plump and ripe, a brilliant red, piled high in the harvest banquet. And it is time for my cranberry jokes. A cranberry bounced up to a crane and said, "Why do we've got almost the same name?" The crane looked down and said, "Yeah, I don't see the resemblance. Maybe Englishmen were short on names again." Cranberry thinks that crane got their name after them, even though they have no similarities. Who is cranberry's distant cousin? A dancing crane. Cranberry versus crane dance off. The cranberry has the berry's best rock and roll moves. Why crane doesn't like dancing with a cranberry? Because crane needs to always crank his neck to see where cranberry is. A cranberry accidentally ordered a shipment of cranes, instead of harvest equipment. Boy, were they surprised, when the big birds showed up. How can you tell the difference between cranes and a cranberry? One is a tall bird, or a tall machine, the other is a small berry. One will fly away, iron one will just stay, the sour one will make you wrinkle. What do you call a cranberry who works construction? A craneberry. Raise a glass, let's toast today, to ancient cranberries in every way. Cranberries, truly, stand the test of time. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe.